Now we will do homophones. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. A homophone may also differ in spellings. The two words may be spelled the same or different, but their meaning is always different. These words are called homophones. For example, two words sale, SAIL sale and SALE sale, both are pronounced as sale, but their meaning is different. SALE sale means to sell something where the goods are exchanged for money, that is sale, and SAIL sale means a voyage on the boat or ship in water, that is sail. So homophones are the words which have same pronunciation, they sound same but their meanings and spellings are different. Look at the words given in the brackets in front of each statement. They have the same pronunciation but different meanings. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one is as you dash dash shall you reap. Here two words are given, SO so and SOW so. Here SO so means with the result of an action and SOW so means the plantation, the planting of the seeds in the fields or in a flower pot or in anything is called sow. So here we will write first in the first blank SOW sow. As you sow, so shall you reap. In the first blank SOW sow and its result shall we reap. Reap means collect or cut. So shall you reap. Next is second one. Children get marks for the right answers they write. In the first blank we will write RIGHT right. Here the meaning of RIGHT right is correct, and in the next blank we will write WRITE right. To write means to make letters on a surface with pencil or pen in a systematic manner. So here in the first blank it will be RIGHT right and in second blank WRITE right. Children get marks for the correct answers which they write on the papers. Next one is third one. Madhur knew the names of all the new boys in the class. Here KNEW knew is the past tense or second form of KNOW know word, and this new relates to the knowledge, means he have the knowledge of the names of all the new boys. New means which is not old, which does not exist earlier. So here the boys are new in the class and they were not present in the class earlier. So Madhur knew the names of all the new boys in the class. Fourth one is it is not certain whether the weather will be pleasant. Here weather means WHETHER. Weather means if the condition of the weather here is uncertain. WHETHER, weather means if, the uncertainty of the condition. If the weather will be pleasant. WEATHER, weather means short term of changes in the atmosphere. The condition of the atmosphere is called weather. WEATHER. For example, today the weather is cold. So here it is not certain whether the weather will be present. Here first weather will come in the first blank and WEATHER, weather will be written in the second blank. Last one is two roads go to the market. This I have already explained that here TO2 means direction or towards and TWO2 is a number. So we will write TWO2 roads means both the roads go towards the market. TWO2 roads go TO2 the market. It was all about the exercise of homophones. The last exercise of this chapter is A10. Here you have to imagine that you are the woman who was saved by the dolphins in the chapter. Do you remember the story? Yes, that woman. Describe in a few sentences what happened to you. Begin like this. One day I was on a boat on the sea. A wave pushed the boat and I fell into the water. Here I have written some sentences. I tried to swim hard but I got tired soon. Luckily, a dolphin saw me and gently pushed me towards shallow water and I got saved. You can write different lines if you want to. And before coming back to the class in the next session, students, please read the next chapter, dogs. Come with reading and we will discuss that chapter in the next class. Bye bye.